Well, here working on the Buick, I got it up on ramps. I wanted to pressure wash underneath because it was so greasy yesterday underneath, putting that cinder in it. And it said, here's a little tip for others if you're gonna pressure wash it. The washer bottle gets in the way when it's sitting right here, and you can see down there all the grease and junk. Then right down here is my crank sensor. I'm gonna want to maybe pull it out. All of the power steering over here is all greasy. Clear over there, the air conditioning is all greasy. But a little while ago I was trying to get the back plug out over here, and the boot wouldn't come off. I mean, all the decades I've done this stuff, tight is tight, snug is snug. As long as it clips on, everything's fine. But I couldn't even pull this off. There's no room back here to get your hand in. I had to tear off this bracket. I still couldn't get my arms in there. And I tried pliers, I tried a cotter pin tool to try to hook it, and it's blind. You can't see back there except by feel. And I did this and did that, and it tore the boot off. All I wanted to do was get the damn shield off, this plug shield off of there, the tin shield with the spring on it. I throw those away. And a guy replaced all this stuff, but how it never stayed, I don't know. And here it tore off. So lucky for me, he gave me another set of wires right there, and I broke the spark plug trying to get the terminal off of it. It wouldn't even come off with pliers. I couldn't even get it off. That is way too stupid. So broke it, and then he's got a whole box of iridiums. So I'm just going to put this iridium one, just one in. I don't have the energy to do all six, because tomorrow I'm going to pressure wash all this grease down here, and underneath I'm going to see if I can get the crank sensor off of it. An update on this thing would be that it had a misfire. It smooths out at about 2,500 or 3 grand. You can rev it up, but it's got a low speed miss. I've got another ignition module unit coming under the coils there, but I also got a new set of coils that he gave me too.